all. Alright, good morning everybody, good morning. Running a little late today, I apologize. Sorry about that, I missed my alarm, slept right through the son of a bitch. Okay. Hope everyone's having a good day, hope you had a good day yesterday. Sorry I wasn't able to see this VWAP reset yesterday. You didn't have a lot of action going on. You lost it right here. Money flow was already deep. That red dot. And she frickin' took you, didn't she? Was out with family came into town. Had a good little time, man. Got me a nice little watch. I need to adjust it. I thought I had it in here. I was going to show it off. We'll have to show it off later. Okay. Man, the fuck happened, Bitcoin? You was looking so good. So good Monday. Today is Wednesday, right? Yeah. Yeah, so it was Monday. Monday she was looking so good. Pumping up. Getting above 102. But ultimately rejected. Okay. Let's go ahead and start here on this daily. Actually, I want to go see my 5-day because my 5-day, man, she was looking good. She's still looking pretty good. Still looking pretty good. Now she could just and start looking pretty bad, but red dot coming up on the daily. Uh-oh. Didn't make a higher high. Didn't make a higher high. I guess from here and right now we're still higher low. Still higher low here. Money flows coming out pretty good. Just like we saw here. Just like what we saw back here. Money flow was coming out. Price was going down. Okay. So see about that 4-day green dot that was printing yesterday. Yeah, I figured she'd be gone. I figured she'd be out of here. We below VWAP, the intraday VWAP. Indeed, indeed. Some nice little signs going on here. There's some nice little bull divs forming. Money flows coming up. If you watch my channel, you know that's my strategy. Bull divs, price coming up above VWAP, with money flow coming in to the green. You know, closing candles above VWAP with money flow coming into the green. That's the first part of our strategy, and that's what we have right now. You see here, price has just been getting lower. We're getting that momentum to the upside. That would have been nice. That was a nice curve right now, but money just never came back in. Okay. The money never came back in. I need to put my intraday view up back on, or the previous day. Looks like a curve to the downside on the money flow. I mean, she's obviously coming up now, but that zero line, she'll reject. Look at that. About, you thought she was coming in, she wasn't. Okay, that's why we wait. So that's the first part. We have our divs. We have money flow getting higher. We're getting up to our intraday VWAP. Now we need one of these higher time frames to back us. We're at a 786. Okay, we already hit the 786. We got plenty of little green dots there. You got your little anchor wave. You know, you've been getting lower. Probably, momentum has gotten a little higher, kind of stalling out at this 60 line, at this fib. Let's go ahead and extend the fibs out some, huh? Where are they? top one. Try to hit it right on the head. There she is. What we got here? A little smaller. Smaller feed. Alright. I think there's one more to line up. Alright. We're ready to go. We got everything looking good. So let's go back to this. What's the 4 hour doing? Nice little VWAP. VWAP shoot up. Money flow is giving a pretty decent curve to the upside, looks like. So the 1 hour kind of back in what we want to see. Looks like we could put in another div though. Looks like we could put in another div somewhere around here. A little bull div. Price gets a little lower. I mean, we've lost 2 VWAPs, 2 previous VWAPs, and you're under the intraday VWAP. And if you know about the VWAPs, if you follow Nick Cipher, the flopping groper himself, you know he has the leapfrog VWAPs. And they played out. They played out yesterday. And I'm just expecting, you see, you lost your intraday VWAP, boom. Came right back down to your next VWAP. Sorry guys, I'm waking up. That's the year to day. The white one is the year to day. The blue one was the December VWAP. These glasses make me colorblind. I can't see. Well, I know one of them is blue, one of them is white. Alright. So we lost those 2 VWAPs. High level VWAPs, right? This is your December VWAP, the blue one. Your white one is January 1st, 2025 VWAP. You lost them. You lost your intraday. You came right down to them. And then you lost them. Man, she could just come right down to the Q4 VWAP. Right here. Well, was Q4 start? Like April? No, that's 2. August, September. You know, somewhere around there. November. Not really bullish structure anymore. At all. Get a nice little curve on the VWAP that'll back us on these lower time. Not the VWAP, the money flow. Oh, come on, guy. Let's see what the market's open. Yeah, I know it's open today, motherfuckers. I want to know what it opened as. This pisses me like they're open in red. A couple of them were here open red. Nasdaq is red. S&P 500 is red. Big old arrow going down. So what that dollar is doing? Usually when the dollar is pumping, Bitcoin's dumping. Yesterday, she was pumping. Yeah. There she goes. What do we? The 1 hour. You got money flow just come in on the dollar. Dollar keeps ripping. But as you can see, Bitcoin was dumping. What was the dollar doing? Back here, I bet Bitcoin was ripping. Let's just check and make sure, huh? I ain't gonna be able to put it. I just gotta go by date. The second. She's ripping. Damn, we're low. I honestly didn't think we'd lose after that big move up. I really thought we'd hold this area here around 99. I thought we'd at least hold 100. She was looking like she wanted to open candles above 102 at one point. That would have been great. If you was long. If you wanted to get it along. She completely ran out of gas. Back down to 95. Alright, let's get back here. I want the 10. Actually, I want the 10. Man. If only this will play out. Get back above your VWAP. As of right now, I wanna make sure. I don't care if it rips up to your previous VWAPs right here. I need it to come back down and kiss this intraday VWAP to make sure she's gonna hold us as support. Money flow is coming in. You got your divs. You do have your divs. Okay. So looks like part one, as long as we can get above this money flow, maybe even just have a wick or two down, to confirm her as support. Because without making sure she's gonna hold us, like right here, man, that was a rickety little bridge, and she just fell off. You just fell off the rickety bridge. You want a strong one. You want a strong bridge, right? I'm not getting on a rickety bridge. Same as here. You really didn't. That's so the opposite of the long strategy, right? Where we're waiting for our divs and money flow going to the upside with a splash, with a little splash confirming her as support, right? That's what we've been looking for, but it works just as well with shorting as well. You got your divs. Price was getting just a little bit higher, momentum was getting a little bit lower, and then right here you start losing VWAP, and she just starts bouncing her head on it, and then you lose your money flow, and then oh man, what does she do? Boom, she fucking crashes. You lose VWAP, you lose money flow. Generally, she has a nice move down. Maybe not always so aggressive like this. Maybe not always like this. But let's go back and look. We're on the 10 minute. Here's the money flow coming out. You're losing your VWAP. You're bouncing your head on it. Your money flow comes out. Boom. She comes down. We can go back and back test this plenty. I've back tested it a lot because this is it's my strategy. This is a strategy I've decided to use. Okay. Yeah. So you're losing VWAP. Money flow's already coming out. That one didn't work out as good, did it? Looks like you got your divs. Indeed, you got your divs. Money flow's coming out. Money flow goes in the red. She pumps right back up. That's why you want to lose your VWAP. Now let's see about some going into the green right here with divs. You need divs. Divs always help. Divs always help. I don't really like that as divs. Technically. That could have been a new. But you got your divs here. Price is getting lower. Momentum's getting higher. You're coming up above VWAP. You're making sure VWAP. You come down and kiss it. Come down and kiss it. Make sure. You would have confirmed support right here. She would have stayed as support. Should have opened 1, 2, and then you could have got in right here on that money flow crossover. She has plenty of room to make some divs here. And then the cool thing about getting in on VWAP is if everything goes according to plan, the VWAP's just going to get higher. So now your support's just getting higher. Losing VWAP. You're losing VWAP. Money flow's coming out. Comes crashing down. You gain VWAP. And I'm sure these are divs right here. They are not. Never mind. So you gain your VWAP, right? Your money flow comes in. You're above your VWAP. There she went. That's what I'm doing. Keeping it simple, straightforward. It's a VWAP money flow core strategy, right? A core market cipher strategy. With that intraday VWAP, and now thanks to Nick Cipher, all the quarterly VWAPs, weekly VWAPs. Man. And so now we wait. Now we wait for either the short signals or the long signals. Right now you are under VWAP, so you'd probably be looking at red dot right there. You'd probably be looking for a little short. But the last 6 days before this, she was just ripping up there, man. She really gonna come back down? All the way back down? Even though the money flow, I ain't looked at the money flow on these higher time frames, but man, they was looking kind of good. Looking kind of good. Getting up there. Just try to push up there. It might be next week. Might have faked everybody out this week. It's been prophesized that the 80K, see you at 80K, has been prophesized. Okay. I'm still I still feel good about this 5-day. I wish the 4-day green dot would have stayed yesterday. I did not think we'd come back down this low, honestly. But if you zoom out, you just put in a low bottom right now. You know, you just put in a low bottom, and now you just got to break above it. You zoom out, still looking kind of decent here. And we haven't taken this low. You took this high. You haven't taken this low, so we could still be in bullish structure. I mean, what is this? A Bart Simpson coming? A little Bart Simpson looking like? That's what you call it? Some inverted pattern coming? Some crazy super W or something? Red dot on the daily. Unless she just starts repping back up, she's gonna confirm. You like to open above these Fibonacci's though. What do you got? The 786, yeah. Daily looks worrisome. Holding the 786 still. I'd still like to get above VWAP. 10 minutes. Get above VWAP. I mean, it's looking like we could catch a bounce off the 786 here. Catch a little bounce. It's kind of what she's looking like, depending on money flow. Depending on the money flow. If she goes in the green, how thick she's gonna go. You still got all sorts of resistance above you. 2 VWAPs, 3 VWAPs technically with the intraday. You got your what is this? A 200 moving average on DBSI? Is that what that is? Pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to see higher prices, we gotta make sure this 786 holds. 786 holds. I fucking love these spiral lines. The OG spiral lines, spiral line 2.0. The best for uncharted territory, for sure. Look at that, that's fucking just beautiful. Amazing, right? Who would have thought? Pull some volume on a high time frame. 4 hour. Cause I'm guessing we're gonna get close to these low volumes. This is, yeah, you gotta hold that 0.5. I was saying it last week when we was coming down. Still in an uptrend. I haven't taken any of these here. We break these lows anytime soon, and Not looking good, but right now we're still putting in higher lows. She's pretty choppy. She's pretty choppy. Let's see the 2 hour yet. Let's see the 2 hour. Okay. Okay, that could be working in our favor if we want to catch a little bounce from these levels here. And see, that's what I was afraid of on that money flow. The curve down. You can tell it wanted to curve down. Almost there though. Almost back above VWAP. Man, she's just... Now that is bearish structure. Jesus. She just dumped. Oh. I want to be mad at myself for not being here. I want to be mad at myself. Because that's the strategy. That's what I want to see. It gave me everything I wanted to see. Divs, hitting your head on VWAP, losing money flow. But I say I want to be mad at myself, but I had a good time. Got to see some loved ones. Damn. Because I think right there won something. I was getting ready to walk out the door. Pretty sure that's 2 something my time. What time is it? 7:54? 8:54? Yeah, that's 2 something my time. Getting ready to walk out the door. Damn. But that's it. That's it. That's our strategy. We see she works. What the fuck is this? Yeah, well, that's because it's spam. Stop sending me. Yes. Reading a message from Flopping Ropers VIP Discord. He expects more downside as well. It only makes sense to leapfrog down to this quarterly view up. I kind of like these levels as well though. But the prophecy has foretold 80K. See you at 80K. we'll see. We'll wait and see. Right now it's very possible. Maybe my thumbnails look like an absolute fool. Thumbnails look like an absolute fool. All times high this week. Get out of here, again. Yeah, she looked good. Fooled you. If you like the music, link is in the description. Thanks everybody for being here. So we do have our divs. Now we just need money flow and VWAP. Catch a little bounce. Now, the trend is down. Okay? The trend is down. So, if we was to long above the VWAP, because we see everything we want. We need quick take profits. Quick take profits.
MGM Plus and more on YouTube.
So you're looking for key areas. 97. Yeah, 97 would be good take profits. But then for a little scalp. For just a little scalp because you're crashing. You know what I mean? You're just scalping the other way. That's still a percent, bud. That's from where we are. Let's say VWAP comes up, you get above it about right here. That's still decent, even if you just bounce your head in between the golden pockets here. Still a decent little scalper move. That's if we can get above this level, and even going up that much would be difficult. I feel like. So you might want you take profits. TP1 probably around this high, 96.5. Probably around this high, just in case you get rejected again. Then you can take some TP2s around here, and then you just hope you hit your take profit 3 at previous VWAP. Tight stop loss, obviously. Tight stop loss. Actually, I'm gonna look at Ethereum too. Gotta look at a little Ethereum. I don't trade. Oh man, that's looking good. She's getting above VWAP. You could catch a little bounce here. What kind of fibs we got? No kind of fibs, because I don't do TA on really nothing, unless requested in the chat. Unless we request it in the chat. As well. Got a ways to go. You get your divs, money flows coming in. What's the 1 hour? We go to our 1 hour. RSIs were tight, shooting up. VWAP shooting up, bounced off the zero line twice. You actually got higher the second time. That's a good sign. That's a good sign there. Okay. So, looks like we're starting to see what we might want to see. Take it up to 4K or 4K 34. What is that? Let's even say right here. Still, that's a good little scalp. Even if she does just come up here, pop. You gotta take profits all along the way here. But she gets up here, money flow coming in. Starting to curve on that. Yeah, 10 minute. Man, I kind of want to take that. I kind of want to take that. Kind of looking like she might be worth it. I'm just so nervous in an uptrend though. You come up here, you're like, oh yeah. So I definitely want to confirm the money flow, or fucking money flow. VWAP here. I like to see her. You come up a little bit, come back down to confirm. But that should be it. This should be it. Beautiful divs, beautiful curve on your money flow. This is basic strategy. Looking good. Yeah. Money flow's coming out. Obviously, it would just be a scalp because you're in a downtrend. So anything working against the trend, you tread with caution. It's not. I mean, 4-hour VWAP's crossing over, but she does have that curve to the downside, so I'd be careful. Be careful. She's got room to run though. But like I said, just getting above the VWAP, you could take it. It's played out before. It's played out where she just comes up with that money flow. And she just doesn't never come back down to the VWAP. DBSIs are getting higher. Oh yeah, this could be a good. Let's see the 15. Let's check on that 15. 15, same freaking thing. You got your divs, money flows coming in. It'll be a good place. Yeah, it would. I just don't like trading alts. Don't like trading alts. Every time I try to alt, I get this. Fucking dumb. No, I just want ETH. Where's that? ETH USD. Check the prices on this. Make sure they're kind of close. Just kind of close. Just a little bit. Wonder if ETH is running off OKX2. How much time we got left on these candles? Looks like the 10 minutes about to close. It's probably going to close above VWAP. Open above VWAP. Money flow's coming in. What would I put my stop at 1%? 1%. I figured we should too. What are you talking about? I chose a percent of my balance, yeah? How does that make sense? Stop loss, percent of balance, price. Okay, let's choose the price then. 3,300. Only 0.2% of my balance. That ETH trade looks good, but I'd still rather confirm the VWAP as support because we've been dumping so hard. We need to make sure something support. Something has to be support. He's looking good though. You got the 2-hour green dot forming or coming up. But see, this makes me also think that money flow coming out. You got that deep wave. You very well could just come back down and put in some bull divs, some nice bull divs, right? But you're gonna go lower. You have to go lower to put in some bull divs. Let's go to the 4-hour and see if we can pull some volume. Oh yeah. Not a lot of volume here, I know. We should too. I don't know why I have my A on. Oh yeah. We'll go here. More data. Yeah, so you start losing 33. Quick move back to these areas. 3100. Not a lot of volume to hold you. You start losing these areas you're at. Not a lot of volume to hold you. And then fuck, you lose these areas. No volume here. No volume right there. You're gonna come back down to 26. We should too. Let's see what she's doing on the 10 minute. I don't know why the fuck I have my market cipher A off. I think I was trying to see something. Man, I want to take it so bad. I'm just nervous about longing right now. So as soon as I hit the long, it's going to just go boom. That is core strategy though. Beautiful curve. Oh. Not feeling super great about the 1 hour either. I mean, good divs here. Great divs. They're playing out, but you see, she scares you. She fucking scares you. Look at that wig. So I'd rather just have super confident trades right now. Super confident. I mean, the strategy, play it out as we speak. But I need to make sure something's gonna hold us. Need to make sure this VWAP is really gonna hold us. That looks good though. You're not putting in bear divs as you're climbing above it. That's some decent stuff with that VWAP. Shooting straight down. Okay. She could be splashing down on the 5 here. Looks like she's gonna have some room to run. That VWAP could just bounce right off this 0 line. So you see if the money flow still got that curve up we just closed. No, she just took a little dip down. DBSIs both positive to the downside and upside. Looks like more. Well, now you're losing momentum. Currently, you still got more momentum to the upside. Yeah, and this is on ETH. Bitcoin isn't looking as good. Feel like we might reject off VWAP. If Bitcoin keeps dumping, you can assure it's Ethereum. Even though she's looking pretty good now, looking like she has the divs. She's coming above the VWAP. Money flow's coming in. See the 1 hour. RSIs are tight. VWAP's coming right up, bouncing off that zero line. You could see a little bounce, but overall, see if we're gonna hold the VWAP. This is why we wait, because you can come above it and just keep coming down, right? The money flow just come right back out. Shit all over you. We'll wait and see though, boy. I'd really like to take that. I could get funded in this single trade if we see a turnaround. But markets are red all around the board. I feel like they're still red. Yeah. It's all down. It's all down. What's old Dixie doing? That old Dixie in. There she is. Blood diamond. What, the 10 minute? See what that 4 hour looks like. Dollar's green, everything else is fucking red. No, I'm kind of feeling good about that 4 hour. I mean, obviously we can put in divs. Pinching a green dot at the 60 line. Money flow's curving back up. That VWAP, it does have a potential just to curve right back down here. Looks like you can put in one more div on this 1 hour. Looks like you have the possibility to do so. We need to hold this VWAP, the intraday VWAP. Money flow did come in, but sharp decrease down on that marketcipher B VWAP. Which means she start opening underneath, hitting your head on it. This money flow come back out. The 10 minute. We got 5 minutes. Let's see the 5 minute. Yeah, see. See what the money flow is gonna do. She's gonna keep shooting down. We got 5 seconds. She's gonna lose the VWAP here, the intraday. That intraday VWAP. Once again, resistance at the 200 SMA. And losing VWAP, money flow shooting down. Doesn't look like she's gonna hold that VWAP, and that's why we wait. That's why we wait to make sure. Bet she was looking like it. Looking like it. Now we could still open. We'll see. Still open above VWAP. But you are in a downtrend. You probably want to be looking for the shorts. Want to be looking for them there shorts. Okay. I'm gonna try. To get in one today. I still gotta go out. I live 30 minutes away from anything. 30 minutes just to get to the main road. I live in Lake Bistineau, down here in Louisiana, and I gotta go see the family again before I'm not able to. Man, oh man, that's why we wait. Bitcoin's crashing. Ethereum's about to come down too. Oh yeah. So yeah, we're not we're not holding any kind of support as of right now. We're bumping our head against all the resistance. Any kind of resistance is just sending us right back down. Yeah, we need to hold this 786 here. Let's go pull some volume on the 4 hour. Pull some volume here on the 4 hour. Alright. All from the breakout, huh? Excuse me. Let's see what our volume's saying. We'll run up from here. Oh. The volume would agree. 87.5 is your last hope. It's your last hope if you don't want to go back into the 70s. We're gonna have to hold this 0.5. I mean, you got your Q4 VWAP right there. Right there. Pretty sure that's the Q4. That's pink. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, we lose where we're at now. We lose this 786. Probably gonna be a slow little climb down. You know, we're just gonna slowly see her make lower lows and lower highs down to this 87 area. I mean, right here will probably be a quick little drop. Right, we lose this last little volume between 90 and 92. We start opening below this little bit of volume here. Probably be pretty quick. Take a couple candles. Just a couple candles.
Your favorite movies are on YouTube. Enjoy the latest releases.
Yeah, sometimes I think life is harder.
There's nothing that can't be explained.
8%.
This is a role you were born to play.
What the fuck
Get
is it?
AMC Plus, Paramount Plus,
If you don't-
Max.
Catch a little bounce there. Blood diamonds all over your 10 minute. Blood diamonds all over your 10 minute. Money flow's just coming right back out. So we said she could just wanted to get a bit above VWAP, but she did not. That just means it's still resistance. I felt like probably still put another div in on this 1 hour. We got to hold that 786 if we want to see prices go up. If you want to see it go to zero, let's lose this 786, huh? Obviously, Bitcoin's not going to zero. We look like we have some time to wait before we can get in a trade. We got some time to wait for a confident one. I mean, obviously with the trend, you can just short at these little stops, but I want to make sure we are hitting our head on VWAP. Money flow's coming right back down. 1 hour looks like she's gonna come back down a little bit too. You set a decent stop loss. You might be able to short 95. But I was just not super confident in anything at the moment, so I'm not trading. I'm waiting. I'm gonna sit here and wait to make sure I can get funded. This is the week we're gonna get funded. We have our plans. We know what we're doing. We're down negative 55. If you've been following the channel, you know this is all commissions, because I took me a little trading hiatus. I lost my market cipher, got disciplined. 2024 was a big year of growth and change for me, but I finally got market cipher back on Black Friday sale. I didn't trade without it. I've always studied market cipher without it. Even when I lost it, just studied it. Stayed inside Flopping Broker's Discord. Studied his VWAP even without having it. I got it, man. We was back on. Okay, really I should be up almost $50. These are all my trades. Everything's added up without the commissions taken out here. Okay, should be up. But with my commissions, when I first started, I was using my whole account. That was taking like fucking $14 worth of commissions on open and close. Not open and close, but like $7 to open, $7 to close every trade. I just forgot all about it, and I have let those commissions eat me up into the negative. If you've been watching the channel, you know I freaked out one day, and we figured it out because I could. It took $9. I was up $9, right, on Friday. Fucking Friday. $2, $7, that's $9. But with 0.1 lots, right? This 0.1 lots, it takes $3.50 to open, $3.50 to close. So really, that's like 7 cents. You know, $3.40 something, but we'll call it $3.50. And so this one was negative. I made $9. I ended up negative 6 on the day. I said, what the fuck is going on? What is happening? Why? I know I'm not this bad at trading. I'm pretty good, actually. On fucking fees, man. Golly. They tore me up. But then I found out, right? I found out Friday. I said, okay, what the hell is going on? And then Sunday, I just knew it. I knew what I was waiting for. The strategy played out like we've been talking about. We made half our losses back. We was down 95. After Friday, we went negative 6 for the day after taking 2 winners. We was down negative 95. But I figured it out. I adjusted, and here's the results. We're only down, made half our losses. The results are we made half our losses back in a single trade. And that's what you want to do. You want to minimize your losses, maximize your gains. Shouldn't be down at all. If I was aware, it's my own fault. It's my own rookie mistake. Okay, own rookie mistake. I should be up technically through these trades. You know, not all of them winners. Not all of them winners. You know what I mean? But overall, we're positive without commissions taken out. Can't believe it, boy. Can't believe I just gave myself a handicap. You know what I mean? Like, I just put myself down $100 before I even realized. But this is the week. This is the week we go ahead and finish her off. Finish her off. Make some. Oh my God! Another one. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chase, she's coming down. I told you. Ah, man, and then I started talking. 95 could have been a good place to short. We missed it. We missed it. We'll get another one. I'm not super confident in, really confident in shorting right now, actually. You came up here. You bumped your head. Money flow started coming out. Red dot. Blood diamonds. Hey, what else do you need? What else do you need? I just don't like that 1 hour candle. Well, this song may not be wrong. Song may not be wrong. It's kind of fucking dumb. You understand me? Man. Not loving that wiki 1 hour candle. Blood diamonds all over the 10. You hit your head on your VWAP. Money flow's coming down. Let's see what the 5 minutes doing. She's going down just steadily. Steadily, look. Momentum's going down. Let's see what your DBSI is. Pushing down. We're at the candle. What do we got? 2 minutes. See what the 2 minutes doing. Money flow is coming out. Not looking good. Money flow is coming out. You're under VWAP. Usually, anytime you're under VWAP, your intraday VWAP, and money flow comes out. It doesn't matter if you've been under it, right? Money flow comes out. She comes down. Got in right here. Obviously, you would have went a little negative, but that's still decent room. You would have set your stop loss somewhere above here, right? Above these previous highs. She would have never got back up there. She wouldn't have stopped you out. You just had to hold it. Trust your TA. Trust your TA. I like divs, right? That's core part of this strategy is the divs. When we first got on stream, she was pumping up with these divs, and I really thought she had the potential to cross over. Let's go to the last time she had some divs and a money flow crossover into the green above VWAP, above the intraday VWAP there. Where was it? Right here. Right here. No, not right there. Where was it? Where was it? Price was getting lower, we was getting higher. Money flow came in. I showed it earlier, and I may not be on the right time frame. Yeah, here it is. Your price was getting lower, you're getting your bull divs, right? You get above VWAP. Let's zoom in. You get above your VWAP. Now you like to make sure she comes down. You want the splash. Obviously you got it here, but even you get in right there on that money flow. You got your bull divs. VWAP's up there. You got some pretty deep waves. She did come down a bit right here, but your stop loss should be past these lows. So you would have been good. Would have been good. Just take her. Take her up there. She can get hairy at times, but if you trust your TA, I mean, you go back test this. And this, I was live for this as she started ripping when I was live, but money flow was coming out. That's why, if money flow had come back in at all, but money flow was coming out, I didn't take that. I should have took it on live. I wanted to take it right here, and then she started coming down. I was like, well, I'm glad I didn't take that. And then boom. And then boom. That's what she does. 95. 95 was the place, huh? Oh, yeah. Like I said, you're under VWAP. Money flow's coming out. Looks like you could just put in some more bull divs. 1 hour wasn't looking too hot. Yeah, she looked like she had plenty of room to keep red dot, green dot, and red light, green light. Don't get shot. So I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for something I'm super confident in. I should be back in time for the VWAP reset tonight, so we can go live. Hopefully I am anyway. I really hope to be back here. Man, 15.2, yeah, she's not looking good. She definitely has more downside. I should have hit the short button at 95, like we was saying. I just gotta be confident, man. Gotta be confident in these things. That's why I'm not taking it. Otherwise, I didn't take it. Even though, man, hey. And then this Ethereum was looking like we was gonna get our exact strategy. She was getting above VWAP. Money flow looked like she was gonna come in. We just gotta. I would sit on my hands until I'm confident in something. Obviously, looking for shorts. There, I don't. That's because now that we're crashing this hard, the 5-day. Really, the 6-7 day uptrend's pretty much gone. 80K has been foretold. Okay, the prophecy of 80K has been foretold. This, if you want to see our 786 right here has to hold. If not, we're coming down to that Q4 VWAP, or perhaps even right here. This makes a lot of sense. This 0.5 at 87. Okay, you got a spider line. But overall, let's go to the 4 hour, and you're gonna want 87 to hold. Why do you want 87 to hold? Well, I mean, if you're a perma bear, you don't want you don't want it to hold. If you're bear, you don't want it to hold. You want to say fuck that 87, crash right through it. But you see, on a volume aspect, you look at the volume here. 87 is really your last. Where is it at? None, right? 87 is really your last hope of holding to higher highs. If not, I could really see 75. You got a VWAP right there, a previous quarterly VWAP right there. That's where all your volume comes back down to, right here. So we're already at risk of losing this. This 786 here. And then, I mean, not a lot of volume to hold you up until 87. And it has been foretold. The prophecy has been foretold. I'll see you at 80K. A lot of times these prophecies come true. If you know what I mean. If you know what I'm talking about. If you know, you know. Yeah, I could see us coming down to 87. 87.5, and then maybe we have some nice juicy bull divs. That body flows bouncing off that zero. We'll see. We'll see. She's not feeling strong. Damn, I should have shorted at 95. Fucking said it. Oh well, I'm not confident. As soon as I would have hit the short button, everything would have just turned around on me. It's just how it works, man. It's just how it works. That's what you get when your name's Cody Moore and you call yourself Jungle Beast, okay? That's what you get. The market knows. The market's like, ha, he just shorted. Let's pump it. Pamp it up. But that's okay. That's okay. I like my name, and I like my gamer tag. So we're going to wait for the super confident. I mean, fuck, dude. How much lower can she go? All those blood diamonds not looking good. Not looking good. Maybe you hold 94.5. Maybe you can hold this. If not, next stop is 87.5 here. You'll ebb and flow. You'll ebb and flow down there. You know what I mean? You might even come back up and use this as resistance now. Because once you lose it as that support, she's going to be resistance. And she's going to, since the crash, any kind of support that we came back up to for resistance, she smacks you down. Any kind of previous support that is now resistance is smacking you down. Okay? Expect the same thing here. If we lose this as support, we're going to come back and be like, no, we're coming back. She's going to smack you down. We're gonna wait and see. But this is the week. This is the week we get funded. If not, I'm going back to work. I'm going back to work. We don't get funded this week, I'll go get a job. Yeah, get off your ass and get a job, guy. Alright, but that'll do it for me. I hope everyone has a good day. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back. We shall be back for the VWAP reset. Y'all have a good day. I'm out.